going to Sea Life. Ito outfit namin. Medyo mainit siya dito. Mainit dito sa Malaysia. May langaw din pala dito. Hindi ko alam may langaw. Akala ko sa Philippines lang may langaw. Meron din pala dito. Hi! Hi, babe!
Hi! Nice and breezy.
Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Medyo ngayon ako maglalakad ng ganito. Sa Philippines, hindi ako naglalakad ng malayo. Puro, ano na, nagdadrive kasi ako dun, dito naman hindi. Yan, yung asawa ko yun. Lakad-lakad. Init, pero mahangin. Parang Philippines lang yung weather niya.
That's there, look.
What? Ah, yeah, that's there. The Legoland is already there. The Legoland is like a neighbor. Magko-cross kami ng
This is our second time
crossing.
And we had the fun.
Pagod na agad ako. Kalalabas lang na.
The Philippines hasn't got crossing like that, no?
Meron?
Yeah?
Wait, love. It's still red.
Lexus.
Follow the track.
Okay. Lego pala to, ano? Uwak. Hindi ko alam kung anong...
Lucky the Legoland.
Another one? Another cross? You sure we can cross?
You didn't follow the track.
See it, Josh? See?
Where?
I see that from last night.
No, you can go here.
That's a mall. Just walk. Ayan guys, malapit na kami sa Legoland. Ayan na siya. Here! Sure. Oh, you're supposed to walk here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo of being here so you see Legoland.
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Yeah. Nandito tayo sa Legoland. Hi! Ito siya. Ayan. Hello everyone! Punta muna kami sa Sea Life. Then sa birthday niya yung pinaka Lego niya. Ayan na siya.
I don't have to walk.
Let's go.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Later.
We can't get that far.
Look at that. In real life.
Wow! Wow! We go to that meet. Wow!
Look at the big shell.
Yeah, that's a crab.
There's another fish. Wow!
3D.
Whoa. This one's taking on the wall. Whoa. There's a lot of snails here. There's snails, Mom. Mom, look, there's a giant fish. What's it though? It's a rock. Wow, it's a very big fish. It's a fat one.
Nice, right?
Dad.
Giant fish tank.
Okay, where we go next? So maybe this way or that way. Where we go next?
Wow!
Mom, look.
Inside. Wow, you got a big here.
Whoa. There's no fish in here. It's
They're
so
clear. They're clear fish.
Mom, look.
I know.
Look at these colour ones, John.
Dad, I think that. Oh, look, that's a tiny, tiny fish.
Look.
Whoa, Dad, this looks.
Wow!
You want it in? Put it in the garbage.
Okay, and touch the sister is at the box only.
Where's the face?
They don't have face.
Wow.
Another one.
They have the leg. You can see the leg of the sister here.
Seahorse.
Some of them have baby, but the father holds the baby.
There's bigger ones there. Look. On this side too.
Yeah, but they're different. Look, there's a blue seahorse. And look.
Oh, that's big!
That's big. Look, Josh. Look. Say that.
Nemo's there. Hi, Nemo.
Oh.
Nemo's friend. Nemo's friend. What's his name?
I don't remember.
Josh. Started.
Oh, Mom, look at here.
No, what it is here. Look at the snowman.
That's really
Wow, that's nice.
It's glowing.
Josh, mommy.
Look, there's a jellyfish on top of you.
Other one.
This is where I saw a different a giant stingray.
That's cool, right?
Whoa, that's a big fish. That's a That's a big Dad, look at how big it
That
is.
looks like a concrete fish. Give them the treasure.
Dad, look. Dad, it's a bus. If this is SeaWorld, there's a lot of fish, and that's a giant fish. But look, the stingray. Look, guys, the stingray is going under us. It's
That's
a big one.
one. Look at her breathing.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
what is that?
I don't know.
A seal.
A seal?
Oh, that's the
also big crab.
Mom, there's a one in the barrel.
Cannot see. Oh, that's big.
My God, you can break the glass.
Look, Josh, look at you.
Dad, my Lego here.
I will say what we got.
Go slide, Baba.
He doesn't want to go.
Get it every way you want. Nice to bed, right?
Yeah.
I have to put this back there.
Come on.
That's what we call a Christmas hamper, man.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I like those one. Liquid we can't bring in our.
Maybe they got the Korean.